whiskey drinker.
Mm-hmm.
Do you-
Whiskey's really good.
Do you want to intro and outro since you just made this an episode?
We're here with my mom doing something with drinks. Cut to the stuff in the past.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart.
Love you.
Love you too.
She's so short.
Yeah. Dip it in sugar. Okay. Oh, we need ice cubes.
I don't know the recipe.
Okay. Gotta put rocks in it.
I hope you know this is just B-roll. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
My hands, forgive me.
You want to say hi? Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
So what's the drink we're making? What's the name of it?
Oh, are we really shooting an episode right now? Here. Hi.
It's called a peanut butter strawberry float.
Awesome.
Okay. Nice away. Now, you're going to take equal portions. So we'll use a bigger one because there's more people to taste. You want 2 to 1.
Okay. 2 strawberry moonshine,
White chocolate strawberry moonshine.
white chocolate strawberry cream. It's already been opened.
It's from Old Smoky.
So here's the messy part.
Well, don't fill it all the way then.
Well, it's just because I have experience of this bar top and making messes.
Or it is
Pina
not gonna fit in
coladas?
that. Yes. Or if you pour it too big, you won't get it in the glass. Okay.
Okay.
And then 1 jigger of peanut butter whiskey.
Tennessee's peanut butter whiskey from Old Smoky as well. Doesn't have a good sound. I think it's a broken bottle. Cork didn't sound right.
Ah. And then you take and stir it up.
I'm bringing the octopus back.
It can be shaken and then poured over the ice as well. That's good.
Okay. I forget, where'd you learn this from?
From the distillery, one of the employees there that was making it was telling me different recipes. He said you can also take the strawberry moonshine and just take a glass and put chocolate syrup on the inside and then pour that in and it's like a chocolate covered strawberry. Oh, yummy. Now keep it rolling.
Oh, no.
Yep,
no,
go
no,
in there and
no,
get a
oh,
taste.
Okay.
And
I was
Nicole.
not prepared to be on camera.
that's okay. Neither was I.
That's delightful. What is that?
Just strawberry peanut butter float.
It's really good. And I want the
just
camera back
recorded it.
because I was not planning to be on this side of the screen. So
That's fine.
I'm going to swap with you.
No, don't drink it all because I have to share it with Zachary.
We could just drink. We could make another one.
Oh, I know. I absolutely love them, and I'm not a whiskey drinker.
She's so short.
Yeah. Short things come in good packages.
Fun sized. You're fun sized.
No, did you catch it? Short things come in good packages.
Oh my God.
Most people don't catch it.
You were so smooth in the delivery. It was natural.
That's what I always say. All right, you guys. Love ya.
Bye.
She ran away with my drink.